we're gonna make Play-Doh at home. Yes, start making the Play-Doh. Some flour and warm water and some salt and oil and color. And now you start making. First, we want to put the flour to the plate. And then now it's salt. The oil now. Now choose any color you like. Yes, this black, but you can see the magic then. I want to mix it alone. Almost, but slowly. What's this? Cutter? Mix it around. There's some water. Do you see the magic? The black, that is pink. Do you see the magic? The pinky magic. We need over here. Oh, everywhere is pink. I want to put it all on them. And then the water. Now you store it. I'm so happy to make some Play-Doh with myself. What is this? Almost red. Now what we want? Something strong our hands. Sticky. Oh no. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh no, all of it is pink. Yes, take the not having colors, put them over here, they're gonna be pink. Oh, that's big. It's so beautiful. Thanks. Beauty, beauty, beauty. I'm so happy and a beauty. Yes, box the Play-Doh. We are box. Yes, change the sides. Box. Yes. Again. Squish it away. Squish and squish, lovely squish. We are just squishing the Play-Doh. The Play-Doh is pretty. Now we need some more oil. Now yes, squish it away. And the other side, please.
Oh, there's a
Oh, it's so scary.
There's a
Just squish it away. Now we are done. We want to let it to rest 5 minutes. Let's go.
Okay. Let's go. Okay. Hello.
Not like this.
Sorry.
Not like this. Hold it and put it. There's a little bit here. Mix. Not me. Make it good. Oh no, what do you make?
Tomato.
Mix it well.
Oh.
Mix it. No, like this. Like this, look. Like this. I make it with myself.
My daddy brighter.
Now I want to play.
Hey.
I want to make some spaghetti. Enough for the day. Just make it like a snail. And we need some more. Oh yeah. Add this line. Now let's make it like that snail. I say something else. I'm supposed to say. Let's put it down. Now let's make a spaghetti. again.
What is that?
Say flower. To hear you, the neighbors. I want to make some grapes with this. You think it's not gonna be good? Grapes again. Grapes. I'll see you in another video. I'll see you again in another video, and share and subscribe to this video because it's so pretty. Make a lot of heart, a lot of like. If you don't like the video, put like either and love the video. Like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.